Hey guys, welcome back to Unlearn.market. This is Balaji. I'm into full-time option selling and swing trading from last 5 years. If you are listening me for the first time, then consider subscribing to this channel for more discussions on multiple asset classes. In today's video, I'll be showing my Bitcoin trade in which I made more than 80-85% returns in last 5 months. Let me take you to Bitcoin chart and show my observations on it from past. There is this event called Bitcoin halving that happens once in every 4 years. I'll make a separate detailed video on what is Bitcoin, how Bitcoins are generated, and what is this Bitcoin halving. Everything I'll be covering in coming videos. But in this video, I'll be discussing only from technicals point of view. So as I said, this Bitcoin halving is done once in every 4 years. Usually after every Bitcoin halving, bull run starts and goes on till 1 year. Let me show this to you along with the data. The first Bitcoin halving is happened on 28th November 2012. After this, Bitcoin saw an amazing bull run in which price jumped from $12 to $1150, which is around 8,800% in just 1 year. After that, price dropped by 87%. And second halving is happened on 9th July 2016. After this, price jumped from $600 to $20,000, which is roughly 3,100%. And that's the second bull run happened in Bitcoin. After this bull run, Bitcoin crashed by 85% again. And then third halving is happened on 11th May 2020. After this, price jumped from $8,000 to $70,000, which is roughly 700% in just 1 year. After this bull run, Bitcoin crashed again one more time by 76%. I got to know all these observations somewhere around January 2024. At that time, Bitcoin was trading around $45,000, and at the same time, fourth Bitcoin halving was about to happen on April 2024. So at that time, I thought of utilizing this opportunity by investing some bulk amount, but technically there was no good setup on charts. I have this habit of taking trades only when I get a proper technical setup, no matter how strong the fundamentals are. I only take the trades based on technicals. So I was kept on waiting for 1 or 2 months for a proper technical setup. Meanwhile, fourth Bitcoin halving is also happened, and everyone in the social media was posting that Bitcoin will soon hit $1 lakh, $2 lakh, this and that. But I haven't took any trade as I haven't got any proper technical support. I was able to control my FOMO, and this is one thing every trader should adopt in their trading career. When you are planning to take a trade, or when you are already sitting in the trade, or when you are about to exit the trade as per your analysis or plan, you must be hearing unnecessary noise over the social media or news channels or anywhere. Please don't change your plan just because you saw something on social media. This one habit saved me from many bad decisions in last 5 years. So coming back to the topic, when this fourth Bitcoin halving has happened, Bitcoin was trading at very strong resistance, and that was like make or break level for Bitcoin. So now I have three options. Either wait for the breakout and retest along with a good entry level on lower time frame. This is one option. Second option, wait for some consolidation around the resistance and enter at lower band of the consolidation zone. And final option is wait for some dip and enter at lower levels. But I was very sure this last option is not gonna happen. So now I'm left with only two options. As expected, Bitcoin went into consolidation for many months, and I was waiting patiently to get a proper entry at lower band of this consolidation zone. And around August, Bitcoin came back to this lower band of the consolidation and made a very good candle which got kicked by buyers from bottom. And coincidentally, this is exactly 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level. Now I got a bit confidence to invest more because see, first thing, it is at the lower band of the consolidation. Second, it took good support and made a candle which is in favor of buyers. And third, I got a 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level. On this note, I did some bulk buying that day, but even before that, I was investing, but with very little amounts. But this time, I invested lump sum and holding patiently for the bull run. And I was planning to buy even more after this channel breakout. Unfortunately, even before that breakout, I got one more opportunity to buy at same lower levels. And in just 5 months, you all know what happened to the Bitcoin. Bitcoin moved more than 80-85% from my initial buying price, and then finally on 11th December, I exited fully from Bitcoin. Not because I was bearish, but my targets technically based on this cup and handle pattern is done. And along with that, I got a short term negative indication from this RSI divergence. It doesn't mean big crash or something like that, but in short term, there might be some consolidation or a small dip. So I didn't want it to take much risk and so exited. You might be thinking, why did I exited with just 80% profit when it has the capability to move 8,000, 3,700% as it moved in the past? At that time, Bitcoin was in the emerging state, but now Bitcoin's market cap is $1.7 trillion. In 2012 bull run, Bitcoin moved massive 8,000%. In 2016 bull run, it moved 3,000%. And in 2020 bull run, it moved just 700%. You can see how the returns are declining over the period. And as it already moved 450% in just 2 years, I don't want to expect 300 400% move again. If you want to take fresh entries now, then we'll have a look on this. So if you plot the Fibonacci retracement here, it touched 0.5 level exactly and took very sharp reversal. Also see this RSI, it is on the verge of breakout. If RSI starts showing momentum, then we can see very good up move in Bitcoin once again. But I would strongly suggest that this is not the bulk buying area, as it already moved 450% in just 2 years. So just be cautious in allocating funds. I kept on updating everything on my Telegram and Instagram pages, both at the time of entry and also at the time of exit. You can see all the updates over here. And that's it for this video. Make sure to be part of my open Telegram channel for regular discussions and updates. Also follow my Instagram page for more educational content. Links for both Instagram and Telegram pages will be in the description. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. See you in the next one.